How's that song go, man? Do you wanna ride in the backseat of a Caddy? Chop it up with do or die. Yeah, that's taking me back, boy. Back to rap in the 90s, man. Yeah, I'm sitting in the back of a Caddy. In the back seat. I just want to sit in this thing because, man, this thing looked like it had a lot of room back here. Got a 1971 Cadillac. What's this? Sedan DeVille. Yeah. Sorry I don't have my better camera, man. It finally took a dump. My LG V20. I had to go back to soldier the LG V10, but it doesn't have a wide angle lens. Let me step on out this thing. And this one doesn't have good image stabilization, so yeah, bear with me, man. I'm gonna try to hold it as good as I can. Yeah, that's the back seat area, man. Look at that room. Just look at that room on that thing. Yeah. Oh, so you see the skirts right here, sitting right here. Well, we'll get to that in a minute. In the front there, but look, check this out, man. I gotta step way back. Way back. Check that out. Los Angeles Air Force Base, 97. Department of Defense. Man, this car is not in too bad of a shape, man. She got some rust though, you know, but it is straight, man. This car is straight. That bumper looks to be in good shape. That hood is in nice shape too. It's just dirty, been sitting for a good while. Both of these deals on there. I think I saw both, a full set of the hubcaps, the Caddy hubcaps. I don't see a dent on this car, honestly. I looked and I didn't see one. Step back a little more. Man, this one sucks about not having the wide angle. Yeah. Haven't busted that off yet. How's that back bumper? I apologize, man. I know this camera on this phone just doesn't have that image stabilization as good as the other one does, but gotta get another one. Yeah. Bumper looks good. Tail lights look good. Yeah, they don't look too bad. Heck yeah. Yeah, we know. What do we know about the vinyl top cars, man? What do we know about those? That's where your problem's gonna be at. So your major problem's gonna be under this, under that top. Let's take a look underneath. I'm gonna throw this in my playlist, man. So if y'all want to see other caddies that I found in the yards, there's another one coming up too, man. I think it's like a 62 or 3 or 4. I'm not exactly sure. I couldn't see it very well in the other yard. That one looks sweet too. It's also a 4-door sedan. Can't see much though. Oh, yeah. Fortunately. Oh yeah. I do have the keys. Where are they? I think it's this one. And the trunk. Got an old school Pioneer 12 CD disc changer. Yeah. Looks like we got the small pump. Brake fluid. No flashlight. Didn't work. So, what do they have on here? Life from the movies. Peggy Scott Adams live in Alabama. What's that? Twister. Oh, and see, he was on that song. Yeah, but Do or Die. Yes, he was. Twister, baby. Hater blockers. Sucks, they're cracked. Yep, see they're cracked. Yeah, got your hater blockers on. Let's see here. Not much of anything else. And got ourselves an American flag, baby. Oh, got a light tester. How's it? Oh man, I bet she's. Oh man. Got a hole? Got a hole? No. She might still be kind of solid though. Well, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe yes. It looks like undercoating. Yeah. Heck yeah. This thing might be solid. Oh, not here though. No, no, no. Not there. Shame. That's a shame. That is a shame. You had power trunk opener. If I could see it right there. Clothes is nice too. Let's take a look under. I mean inside. On the front right here, real quick. I want to say this car was repainted, man. Was it white before? I think it was white. This car was probably white, I think. Wasn't it? Looks like it might have been. Yeah. Like I said, man, this thing, my phone just, this one here just does not focus quickly. So, you know, power locks, power windows. Ooh, window lockout. Check it out. We got the wipers up here. That's cool. The wash right there. Nice. Like that. I likes that. Uh-oh. Had somebody complaining, talking about don't say the word like too much. Man. Anyways. We got tilt. Well, I mean telescoping and tilt, my bad. I don't know what that means. OF and F. We got a switch down here. There's a bitch trying to get this hood open, man. That thing broke. Damn latch for it. Auto dimming. Come on, focus. There's your climate control. There's your cruise control. Oh, nice. I like that. Yeah. Oh yeah, and of course we got power bench seat. That's cool. Only problem is I think this was it's messed up, man. It came off this piece here or something. I don't know what the deal was with that. Yeah, it's not good. Other than that though, man, is it ripped? I don't think it's ripped. I don't know if they redid this one or not, the bottom one. Because this was pretty worn up on top, but this is still nice. Feels nice and soft. Nice. And they had this thing all the way to the front, man, so I can't sit on it even with the steering wheel all the way forward. With these Mardi Gras beads. Oh, they were a handicap. The dash is cracked. Looks like they changed out the original radio for a, what's this? What is it? Premier, it says. I don't know that brand. Got your rear defogger. And right here, I can see your side mirror still kind of wants to work. You can't see it because of the glare. They were a smoker. Somebody was. And it appears we have a CB radio too. Yeah. Get your light down here. Get your clock. And will this open? Well, oops. Okay. It's got some lights. Sedan. There's the front hood ornament right there. Yeah. Okay. Cadillac. What's that? Oh, sedan. We're supposed to say sedan. Yeah. That's. Oh wait, no. Oh, it's stuck, man. Yeah. It's stuck. Look at that. Rockin' road trip catalog. Anyways. Oh, let me back up here. Tell you, that carpet don't look too bad neither. I mean, it's a little worn on this side, but not too bad. Not bad at all. Couldn't open the other doors. So. Now we look under the hood. Well, actually, let me, real quick. Where's that VIN at? I don't know if we can see that VIN. Can we? Can we see that VIN? I don't know. I don't think we're going to be able to focus on that VIN, man. She's not going to want to focus. No. Nope, sorry. She's not going to want to focus, man. Let me see if I can see it. It says, I think that's 68349. Is that a 10157152905, I think. Anyways, last on the road, 2011. I think. Yeah, she was a bitch to open the damn hood, boy. But these hood hinges, I tell you, this hood probably weighs a good freaking 200 pounds or something, man. If it did you like Christine and dropped on you, man, while you're in here, it'd probably break your back. Come on, focus, damn it. Gotta love this phone. There's that 472, man. 1970. Where did I see it? 1971. Keep your GM car. Oh, GM. See, we got a replacement POA valve. Come on, focus, damn it. There. I don't know what's going on. Mostly all there. I need a rag. I need a rag. What do I do with that little rag? I leave it in here. I want to use it to open the. Got all these little turds up on top, man. Don't worry to you guys that tend to get pissed off because I don't put it back exactly the way I found it. I'll try on this time, on this one. Heck, I might buy this engine. They got a 50% off sale. I don't know. What do you think? Well, we know it's a 4-barrel. I think I saw on there 345 or 25 horsepower for 1971. but I think it was like 500 foot-pounds of torque. Uh-oh, we're gonna be able to get it back in there, or am I gonna piss off these dudes? Oh man. Uh-oh, looks like I might be pissing some dudes off. Yeah, we'll just leave it like that. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. Let me see. I'm gonna leave this right there. There. This here, cruise control. Decked out though, man. I tried to get it to turn, but I couldn't do it by hand anyways. You know, it's got one of these flex fans on it. Somebody put one of these flex fans on it. The thing just spins. Yeah. Compressor's not locked up though. Let's take a look on. Ow! Damn it. Sucks about this phone. She does not like to focus. And there goes my glasses. Focus. I don't know. What would Uncle Tony think? Huh? There she is. What's that say up here? Windshield's busted though, I can see that. Come on, focus. There it is, man. Yeah, it sucks. Probably gonna be crushed. Alright, man. On to the next one.